What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book of Entertainment. So, if you remember, Dumisani Kumalo, the Lieutenant General who is currently testifying before the Madlanga Commission, was arrested in June 2025 on charges of fraud and corruption. And those allegations, they centered on the irregular appointment of a female officer to a senior position within the SAPS. So Dumisani Kumalo, alongside six other colleagues, they then appeared in court, were granted bail, however, another guy was remained in custody. So during his testimony at the Madlanga Commission, Dumisani Kumalo, revealed that his arrest was a case of mistaken identity orchestrated by an associate of the suspended police minister Senzo Mchunu. So he also revealed that his team had faced threats and bribery attempts, whilst investigating these crime syndicates. So Dumisani Kumalo, he has laid out, that this was a case of mistaken identity. Now, what that means, is that when they return to court, all charges are likely to be dropped against Dumisani Kumalo. So Dumisani Kumalo, he revealed that that appointment of that senior officer, it was actually part of a setup, and he maintained that his team, whilst investigating those serious crimes, they were facing those threats. So what we can see is that Kumalo's position, he was like wrongfully targeted, and that those charges are not like legitimate, but are a result of political interference within the SAPS and criminal justice system. I'll catch you guys on the next one.